Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 22nd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system here moving across the country, and a big ridge of high pressure, which is going to bring above normal temperatures to much of the country going forward through your Christmas holiday week. Alrighty, you can see the high pressure ridge pretty much part right over Texas. You can see the storm system moving around it, but the northern U.S. may get in some snow, also some ice across portions of the northern U.S. over toward the northeastern U.S. and mid-Atlantic. Southeast, you should be fine. Also the central U.S. But you can see the storm system here beginning to move into the Pacific Southwest over here toward California, Arizona, Nevada, Utah, stretching up toward Montana and Wyoming region as well. You can see the atmospheric moisture continues to pump moisture right on into the western and southwestern U.S. As we continue to roll forward. So you can see all that right now. You can see on the satellite loop. You can see all that they're pumping into the southwest and moving across the northern portions of the lower 48. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And I'm going to take a look at your Tuesday forecast now, and it should roll out something like this here. Alrighty, you can see we got snow flying from up here from near Maine, New Hampshire to Vermont, up here around Ottawa and Toronto, Canada, stretching toward Lake Superior, also a portion of northern Michigan. We got mixed precipitation also for portions of southeast Canada, around the Ottawa and Toronto, Canada region over toward Lake Huron. Then we got freezing rain up here over a portion of New York State and Pennsylvania, but more mixed precipitation stretching from eastern Wisconsin to Michigan, excuse me, to northeast Ohio, Pennsylvania, to Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and New York State. Shower activity stretching from Delaware to eastern North Carolina, then from Virginia to western North Carolina, all the way through northern Georgia, all the way back to Arkansas, a little bit across South Texas. More activity from shower activity stretching from Kentucky to areas of Wisconsin, Indiana, Illinois, portion of Ohio, and West Virginia regions as well. Thunderstorms and shower from southern Arizona through California, then shower activity along western areas of Washington, Oregon State, and also coastal waters. Then we got mixed precipitation there as well, stretching through Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, down to Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona, Nevada, and portions of the California mountain. You've got some heavy snow in that area as well. We got a lot of flash flooding and heavy rain over much of California, southern Nevada region as well, and extreme western areas of Arizona. Freezing rain up here and also in portion of Montana, and a few pockets of heavy snow also in portion of Washington State. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast there for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to your Wednesday forecast now. It should roll out something like this here. Alright, you can see we got shower activity from Maryland to DC to Virginia to Tennessee to Kentucky to Illinois, over towards southern Wisconsin, mixed precipitation for eastern Wisconsin to Michigan to a portion of Pennsylvania, southern New York State, with some freezing rain across Pennsylvania. More snow from portion of New York State into Maine, portion of New Brunswick, Atlantic coastal water, and portion of southeastern Canada. Got a little bit of pockets of snow up here over a portion of Lake Superior. Shower activity over southern Texas. Thunderstorms and showers once again from Arizona to California to northern California, Washington State. Shower activity along coastal areas and the coastal waters. Freezing rain over a portion of Montana with mixed precipitation in Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Nevada, stretching down to Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, and Montana and Idaho regions as well. More flash flooding and heavy rains over California and Nevada, and there's more mixed precipitation there as well for areas of the California mountain chain. Going to get some lots and lots of snow. Alright, now move on to the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation. And it should roll out something like this. Still waiting on it, but it should roll out something like this here. Here we go. We got mixed up, and we got winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for portion of Maine. More winter weather advisory stretching from New Hampshire to Vermont, to New York State, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. Got a little bit of areas of, especially with the statement for western areas of Pennsylvania. Dense fog along the Gulf Coast from southern Louisiana, southeast Texas, and the coastal waters. Then we got lots of flood watches in effect for portions of Texas, California, and also southern Nevada, and one county in Arizona. Got winter storm warnings in the pink across California, a little bit in portion of Washington State and also Montana. Avalanche warnings in portion of Montana and Idaho. Winter weather advisories also for you guys in portions of Idaho, one county in Montana, a little bit in Oregon, and a little bit in California mountain chain. Even got wind advisories over areas of Nevada, also Oregon. Got high wind warnings there as well, and also some wind advisories restricted in for areas of northern California. Special weather statement for Oregon, and also winter weather advisory for western Washington State. Alright, small crack advisory gale warning from Maine all the way to the Florida Keys. Got a little bit of storm warnings out at about 250 nautical miles offshore. Storm warnings also along the California coast, special marine warnings there as well. And we have some small crack advisory gale warning from Southern California, Washington State, around the Hawaii chain island, around the Alaska region with some freezer spray in the blue. Inland area, we have winter storm warning, blizzard warning, and winter weather advisory for central Alaska. Alright, now let's move on to the severe weather perspective. We do have a marginal risk over here in California, right along the coastal areas, from areas of San Francisco down to Santa Barbara, Los Angeles, and just northwest of San Diego. But you can see general thunderstorms up around Seattle, Washington, also just west of Elko, and areas of Nevada. Then from Reddings to San Diego to Las Vegas, general thunderstorms expected, and the probability should be around 5%. There we go. Alright, let's take a look at the radar across the lower 48 and let it load up here. We have some precipitation across the board. So we're going to show you. You can see a little bit of activity down in the Gulf. Got more activity up here in Nova Scotia, southeast Canada, down toward New York City or New York State. Also a portion of west of Washington D.C., Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, up towards South Canada, a little bit in North Dakota, straight toward Wyoming, portion of Nevada, northern Utah, just north of San Francisco, Seattle, Washington, Vancouver, Canada, also northwestern Oregon. Some shower and storms for you guys there as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.